Today I wanted to do a little experiment to prove you do not need to make a lot of money to actually become wealthy. And to prove this I want to use two imaginary people. The first one being the poor investor who makes just $2,000 a month and has an annual income of $24,000. But he only spends $1,500 a month, causing him to be able to save $6,000 a year. And he invests the entirety of that into an index fund. In this case, the S&P 500, which has an average annual return of about 10%. And then on the other side, we have the rich saver. He makes a net income of $4,000 a month, double that of the poor investor. And he even lives a frugal life, only spending the same amount as the poor investor. But everything he makes he just puts into his checking account. So after 1 year the poor investor has $6,000 saved up, while the rich saver has 5 times that, at $30,000. So immediately the poor investor shows why he is called poor. And after just 1 year of saving, the rich saver has 5 times more. But after this, compound interest can start doing its work. And after 10 years, we can see the effects of compound interest. Because the once poor guy now almost has $100,000 in his account. But the rich guy still has over 3 times as much. So at this point it is still looking hopeless. But after 20 years you can see things start to change. Because the poor investor's net worth is now over half that of the rich saver. And after a 40-year-long career you can see that the once poor investor now has over double the net worth of the rich saver, being worth over 2.6 million. But of course, 40 years is a long time, and like I said, it is easy for the poor investor to get discouraged after seeing the rich saver is still that much ahead after 10 years. So let's say he completely stops contributing after that 10th year. Even that $500 contribution for 10 years is enough to make him a millionaire and be the poor saver by his retirement. And this is why one of the main differentiators for wealth is putting your money to work instead of selling your time.